seagulls? Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the other piece of
Here they come. Yeah, here they come. Here they come.
Babies.
Overhead.
Wow, look at that.
I do too.
Oh, no way! Are you serious? No way! He won't even let go of the seagull.
No, he's gonna go eat it.
Oh my god!
Are you kidding?
He's gonna go fucking go off that. I thought it was crazy. I've never seen him.
Come on, let him go.
I mean, they do catch things bigger than
National
that.
Geographic right there.
That was crazy. They're going to feed the babies a whole ass.
Look, there goes.
He's still got it. Go back across
to
his nest.